Now this is my current earnings right now, which is $32.06. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and click on the bank icon right there. This is my account details right here. I'm going to go ahead and withdraw this current earning you are seeing there. So I'm going to input the earnings you just saw right now, which is $32.06. I'm going to put it there and I'm going to click on the withdraw button right here. You can see right now, request submitted successfully. So I'm going to await the alert in my bank. So within few hours now, here's the alert of the money I withdrawed earlier today. As you can see, the amount, and look at the reference and look at the time, the amount just landed in my account. So I'm going to be showing you how you can do this with your smartphone with this platform. So this was made online with just my smartphone, no job, no heavy lifting, no sales page, no product, no experience, with just little capital. And there are different ways to make money online on the internet right now in this very age. There's affiliate marketing, there's Amazon KDP, there's freelancing, there's dropshipping. And there are other easy ways to make money online right now, like completing simple tasks, doing a survey, and many others. But you'll be learning how you can make money online by liking YouTube and TikTok videos and many others. And also how I made this with my smartphone with this platform. So we'll be going to my screen right now as I share this with you. Alright, right here, the first thing we're going to be doing right here, I'm going to be taking you through the earning phase of this very platform. Okay, different ways you can make money from this very platform. As you can see right here, I'm on my dashboard right here. And the first way to make money from this platform is by selling ebook. Okay, now if you come to this hamburger icon right here, this very three dots you can see right here, click on it. You're going to be having the options right here. So the first thing we are going to be considering is that the first way to make money from this platform is by selling ebooks. Okay, as you can see right here, my ebooks and purchase ebooks. Now this platform have ebook courses you can sell on this platform. Now the first way to make money from this platform is by selling ebook courses. Now they have several ebook courses on this platform. You can sell and make 70% commission from it. Now any sales you can make from any of this ebook, you have as high as 70% commission from any of these sales you can make from this ebook. As you can see right here, my ebook sales are 0 because I just get registered on the platform and I have not started promoting ebooks. And guess what? They will teach you how you can promote these ebooks because they have courses that will teach you these very skills. Okay, so that's one of the ways you can make money, which is ebook. As you can see right here, these are available ebooks right here. Okay, and this very ebook right here is grow from 0 to millions. The second one, top 5 hidden ways to get referrals, and this one 100 couple stories. This is a relationship ebook course. Okay, now this one Python for beginner. This one is a web design ebook course. Okay, from wannabe to freelancer, and how to generate leads to WhatsApp, how to say to an idiot, and don't look, and setting goals and creating goals. As you can see, all these ebooks are active right now. As you can see right here, all these ebooks are active right here. Now if you want to promote this ebook, just click on this very promote icon right here. Now all these ebook courses ranging from $10 to $20 and above. So any sales you make as high as 70% commission. That's the first way to make money from this platform. So let's go over to the second way. Now the second way to make money from this platform is by creating your own ebook. Now if you have your own ebook courses already, or you have your courses already, you can come to this platform and you can publish your ebook courses on this platform, and you have thousands of affiliates promote this ebook for you. Now once they make it, so you have 20% commission from this ebook, and you can price this ebook courses at any price. So the second way to make money from this platform is by publishing your own products. Now that way you make money as a creator. So you can come here, publish your ebook. As you can see right here, my ebooks, this is where you access your own ebook you have published on the platform, and you know how many sales affiliate has made from this ebook. Now this purchase ebook are the ebook you have sold on this platform. And the first way is by selling ebook, and the second way is by being a creator. Now the third way to make money from this platform is by liking and watching YouTube videos and liking TikTok videos. Okay, if you come to my any balance right here, you are going to see that I have over $31.06. Okay, and my PS trend earnings is $6. So I'm going to be performing a task right now. So we are going to come here and we are going to go to share trend. Okay, so I'll click on share trend, and it's going to load up to a different page for me. So once you come to this very page, you're going to scroll down. We're 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 going to scroll down. We are going to come over here and we are going to perform these two tasks right here. Okay, you can say click here and like to this trend, and this one is click here and like to this trend. Okay, now the instructions right here is just to like. So we're going to go ahead and like this trend right now. We're going to click on this very YouTube task, and it's going to take us to YouTube. All we are going to do is to like this very trend. So we are going to go ahead and just like, that was the instruction. Okay, they say like to this trend. We are going to just like, and we're going to go back. We are done with this. Then we are going to come over to the TikTok zone. We're going to click on the TikTok zone, and we are also going to like. So we are going to also like. So once we're done liking, we come back. So once we are done performing the task, we are going to come back to our page. As you can see right here, our PS trend just increased from $6 to $7 right here. And our current earnings just increased from $31.06 to $32.06 right here. I just made $1 right now. So this is the third way to make money from this platform. Now the fourth way to make money from this platform is being an affiliate marketer, okay, or referrals, okay. Now if you scroll down right now, you just come over to this very end right now. You just come here, you can copy your affiliate link, okay. So once you copy this your referral link or your marketing link, you can go ahead and invite your friends and family to join this platform. And once anyone registers on this platform, you earn $6.2 per any person that registers on this platform. $6.2 is around 3,200 naira per one person. Now inviting one person right now, you earn 3,200 naira. Inviting 10 persons right now, you earn 32,000 naira on this platform. And if you're able to invite 100 people right now on this platform, you earn 320,000 naira. As simple as that. Okay, as you can see, they have affiliate challenge on their platform right now. And the best part is that you have access to over 10 skills you can learn on this platform. And this is the best part right now. You can learn skills on this platform. As you can see, these are skills you can learn and you can purchase on this platform and you can learn. As you can see, this is advanced website development class, and this is advanced iOS and Android app creation, and this right here is advanced copywriting courses, and this right here is advanced forex classes. And if you scroll down, and this is advanced graphic design classes, and this is advanced Instagram and Facebook ad class, and this is advanced mini importation class, and this is advanced UI and UX design classes. Also scroll down, this is advanced WhatsApp media classes, and this is advanced YouTube monetization classes. Now all these skills you can have access to them with just 35 PS trend. Now PS trend is the money you make by liking TikTok and YouTube videos. You can use that money to purchase all these courses for free, and these courses are courses they sell outside there with huge amounts. Now you can get these courses as low as 35 PS trend. Now PS trend is the money you make by liking TikTok and YouTube videos. Now you don't have to use your own money to buy these courses right now. You can just like TikTok videos and YouTube videos every day, and you can gather those money up and you can purchase any of these courses, and you can increase your knowledge and learn a high income skills for yourself. So this is a huge advantage for you. So guys, also you can also transfer earnings on this platform. Okay, if you come to this hamburger icon right now, you can come here and you can transfer money to anybody on this platform. Okay, meaning maybe you want to transfer money to your friend on this platform right now, you want to transfer money to anyone, or you want to transfer your earnings to anyone, you can just come here, you input the username of the person, then you are going to go ahead and type in the money you want to transfer to that very person. If it's $100, you type $100. If it's $200, you type $200. If it's $10, you type $10. If it's $200, you type $200. And whatever money you want to transfer, just put the person username right here. You put in the amount you want to transfer. Then you click on this transfer money. Then you click on this transfer, and the money is going to be transferred to that very person on this platform. So come to their converter right now, you're going to know their earnings converter. Now you can enter dollar right now. You can know how much is dollar. Let's say $10, and as you can see, $10 to naira is 5,000 naira, meaning $1 right now is 500 on this platform. So their converter rate is $1 to 500. Okay, the reason is because of the fluctuation of the naira right now. The naira is not stable. Naira goes to 800 today, 700 tomorrow, 900 next tomorrow. So they have to be constant with their exchange rate. So their exchange rate right now on this platform is $1 to 500 naira. Okay, which is also $10 to 5,000 naira. So if you want to withdraw your earnings right now, just come and click on this very bank logo. As you can see, there's a bank logo right here, which is a bank logo. Just click on it, and once you click on it, it's going to, as you can see right there, this is my bank details right now. Okay, these are my bank details. If you want to withdraw my money, I'll go ahead and withdraw my money to my bank details. Okay, if you want to withdraw any money, just come here and click on this withdraw button. Click on this withdraw button, just click on it. You can just enter your amount. Okay, enter your amount. If it's $10, enter. If it's $13.4 cents, if it's $13.4, you enter it. If it's $100, you enter it. Then you just click on withdraw, and the money is going to appear in your bank in the next few hours. So this is how you can make money from this platform. I believe you found value from this video. If you do, please like this video and subscribe to my channel. Now to get registered on this platform is just $8. Okay, $8 in Nigeria currency is 4,000. If you're from another country watching this video, you might convert $8 to your currency. Okay, so it's just $8, which is 4,000 naira. So if you want me to guide you on how you can get registered on this platform, click on the link in the description of this video, the first link in the description, or you can check the comment section. I'm going to pin a message in the comment section. Click on the comment section, and you are going to be landing on my WhatsApp DM, and you are going to be connecting with me on my WhatsApp DM, and I'm going to be walking you through on how you can get registered on this platform. So check the first link in the description of this video, or you can check the pinned comment for that link. Okay, so this is how you can make money from this platform. If you find this content valuable, please do well to like this video and subscribe to my channel, and make sure you turn on bell notification, because I'm going to be dropping more ways on how you can make money from online platforms like this, and I'll be dropping more reviews about platforms and ways you can make money, other ways you can make money, and review about platforms like this. So like this video if you found value on this video. Now I talk about a full comprehensive video of this platform where I break down everything about this platform, if this platform is a legit platform or a scam platform. Now if you want to have access to that video, just check the card up there in this video, or you can just watch to the end so that you can have access to this full comprehensive video in the end screen. If you want to know more about this platform, if you want to know if it's a legit platform, everything about the platform, the origin, how you get started, the country is available on, and what you need to know about the platform, how to withdraw, the withdrawal date, everything you need to know, just make sure you watch to the end of this video so that you can have access to it at the end screen of this video, or you can check the card in this video, or you can check the video in the description. So I'm going to be seeing you in my next video. So guys, thanks for watching this video. I know you got value. If you are finding it to sign up on this platform, just check the link in the description of this video, or you can go ahead and check the pinned comment section. I'm going to be leaving a message in the comment section. I'm going to be pinning it there. So click on the link and you are going to be connecting with me on WhatsApp. So thanks for watching. Do well to subscribe to this channel and turn on bell notification, because I'm going to be dropping more reviews about making money online platform in my next videos, so that you will never miss out and you're among the first to take advantage of this opportunity and make more money for yourself. And if you want to learn more about this platform I share in this video, I made a full complete breakdown about the platform, telling you everything you need to know about the platform, if this platform is a legit platform or a scam platform. So click on any of these videos showing on your screen right now to access that video so that you can gain full understanding about this making money online platform. I'm going to be seeing you there.